because it's very similar to what we just did. But there's extra letters and extra numbers on it. So again, it's a binomial. What's the square root of 144? 12. If there's two n's and I know I'm going to need two sets of numbers, how many n's does each one need? Only one. Well, the square root of 1 is 1, so I'm going to do plus 1, plus 1. Now, if each set needs the same amount, and I have 4, I need a c squared and a c squared. Because c times c is c squared times c squared is c to the 4th. So our answer is B. Shh. You guys almost heard my dogs bark again. Okay, last two problems, and then if there's time, you'll go to the second video. Okay, so you're finding the area of a rectangle. So very quickly, if you've forgotten, the area of a rectangle is length times width. So it's represented by 6x squared plus 3x minus 30. Which expression could represent the sides of a rectangle, or of the rectangle? Okay, so again, this is going to go into y1. And the only reason why you can do this is because they give you both sides. So what we're going to do is we're going to put parentheses around all of these. And now it becomes a calculator problem. So we're going to type in 6x squared plus 3x minus 30. And then we're going to type in 2x minus 5, 3x plus 6, second graph. Those numbers don't match. A is not my answer. The only difference between A and B is that this is a plus and this is a minus. Second graph. These match all the way through. There's my answer, B. Alright, so again on this one, you needed to make sure that you're multiplying these two, or putting parentheses around them, and then we're putting them in y1, y2. Alright, last one. Alright, so you have the area of a rectangle shown below. 2x squared minus x minus 15 square units. What is the width of the rectangle? Okay, so you know that this is one of the sides of the rectangle. Now one of these other ones has to be the side. And we just talked about area equaling length times width. So what they're saying is when we multiply one of these answer choices, it's going to give us the answer. So I'm going to type in 2x squared minus x minus 15. And then on this one, I'm going to type in 2x plus 5. Hey, that's already almost in there for me. Minus 5. The second graph. Do these match? No, they do not. So I go to B. Do these match? They do not. Second graph. These match. There's your answer. Okay, there will be a second video for you to watch. If there is time in class, we will go over the second video. Again, this is day 10, and the second video is to come.